How to remove lock screen password in Windows 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Settings app. So simply use the shortcut key Windows plus I to open Settings. In Setting application, from the left hand side menu go to Account and there you need to choose the option of Sign In. Click on your password. Now to verify your identification, simply enter your previous password and click on Next. After that, here in New Password and Confirm Password, you simply need to leave the space blank and click on Next. After that, you will be able to remove the lock screen password for your Windows device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.